money bill because of the structures that is going to be put in this for actualization of the bill. There's no way you are going to be reintroducing these expectant children or child parents, and when you take them back to school, the consideration is going to be so much. These children or this particular child is going to be having specific interests at specific times. Also, even in the society, if you look at whether we will want to really consider having children and entertaining pregnancies in school. If you look at it very keenly, we as Africans, and as much as we have problems of teenage pregnancy in our society, I don't think we want to take it up as a promotion that it is okay for a child to be pregnant as long as she still gets the opportunity to go to school. This way, we are going to erode most of the morals in the society, in my opinion, because as much as I would not mind, or I will still encourage the child to go back to school, but it is not going to be, honestly, a good idea to encourage these girls to be pregnant just because they are able to go back to school. And more so, there will be those children who are working so hard to be very disciplined and complete their schools without necessarily being pregnant, and we will most likely be disadvantaging and in another way infecting these other ones who are keen to finish school without being pregnant. And again, we will be allowing a lot of indiscipline. If you look at most of these children, because as a women rep, I pay most of school fees for them. Their performance in school is very wanting because of the distractions that they get into society. You cannot be a mother and a student at the same time. If you ask me, this bill needs a lot of brushing. We would probably, I don't know whether we will ask the mover to withdraw and reintroduce it again so that we take time to understand and be able to help this bill make a very important impact in the society. As much as I support, I would really ask my colleague, we sit back and probably brush it properly so that we can have a better bill going forward. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. The Honourable Member for Suba North, Honourable Millie.